Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the Mac so the install goes smoothly. Check macOS compatibility and free disk space because Dropbox Sync needs room to stage files. Next, sign into your Dropbox account and enable two-factor authentication if you use it. This protects shared folders. Once done, download the official Dropbox installer and quit competing sync apps to avoid conflicts. Begin the installer immediately and allow permissions when prompted so Dropbox can manage your Dropbox folder and run at login. You now install and configure Dropbox step by step. Run the installer and drag Dropbox into applications. When Mac OS asks, grant necessary permissions like full disk access so apps can read and write files. Once signed in, choose a folder location, use an internal drive for speed, and set selective sync to keep only needed folders locally. Then open Preferences to throttle bandwidth, enable or disable camera uploads, and choose whether Dropbox launches at login. These control performance and background activity. Finish by verifying everything syncs correctly and learning a key recovery move. Click the Dropbox menu bar icon to watch sync progress. Green checks mean files are up to date. Share folders using link permissions to control access and use team folders for collaborative workspaces. If syncing stalls, restart the Dropbox app and confirm Finder permissions. Sometimes a single problematic file blocks sync. As a troubleshooting tip, move the suspect file out of Dropbox, let sync complete, then reintroduce it after fixing file name or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.